Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to start new topic. Today's topic is degree of comparison. Here, degree means to make change in adjective, that is either to add er or est suffix or to add more, most before adjective. Now we are going to turn towards the types of degree. Number 1 positive degree, number 2 comparative degree, number 3 superlative degree. Let's see how to identify the degree of a sentence. I will tell you the easy trick to identify the degree. Take a look. Number first, positive degree. The sentence in which the adjective is in the between as dash as or so dash as, then the sentence is in positive degree. For example, she is as clever as her brother. Number second, comparative degree. The sentence in which the adjective ends with suffix er or there is more before an adjective and after adjective there is a word than, then it is the sentence of comparative degree. For example, her brother is not cleverer than her. Number third, superlative degree. The sentence in which the adjective ends with suffix est or there is the word most before an adjective, then the sentence is in superlative degree. For example, Mumbai is the biggest city in India. The sentence in which if the adjective has two or less than two vowels, that is a, e, I, o, u, then the comparative degree of the word end with suffix er and the superlative degree of the word ends with suffix est. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Here the word tall has only one vowel. That's why its comparative degree, which ends with suffix er, that is taller, and its superlative degree ends with suffix est, that is tallest. Here are some examples given in the chart. The sentence in which if the adjective has more than two vowels, then its comparative degree is followed by word more before the adjective and its superlative degree is followed by word most before the adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Here the word beautiful has more than two vowels. That's why its comparative degree is followed by word more, that is more beautiful, and its superlative degree is followed by the word most, that is most beautiful. Here are some examples given in chart. You must study it carefully. Now we learn how to change the degree. We will start with positive degree without starting with words. No other or very few turn into comparative degree. Rules for changing degree are as follow. Number first, the word given after the second as must be written in starting of comparative degree. Number second, after this write the helping verb. Number third, if there is absence of word not is positive degree, then use not in comparative degree before the adjective. Number fourth, if there is not in positive degree, then don't use not in comparative degree. Fifth, instead of not use the word more dash than before the adjective. Number six, write the subject at the last of the sentence. For example, Mumbai is as big as Delhi. Answer: Delhi is not bigger than Mumbai. Here I am giving exercise for your practice. Positive degree change into comparative degree. So solve it. B. Comparative degree sentences in which after than there is no words like any other, many other turn into positive degree. Rules for changing degree are as follow. Number first, the word which come after than is taken first. Number second, then use helping verb. Number third, if there is absence of not in comparative degree, then use not in positive degree. Number fourth, if there is not in comparative degree, then use not in positive degree. Number fifth, then remove er than or more than from comparative degree sentence and write adjective in so dash as or in as dash as. Number 6. The first word of comparative degree sentence should be written at last of positive degree sentence. For example, planting is better than fighting with people. Answer: fighting with people is not so good as planting. Here I am giving exercise for your practice. Comparative degree change into positive degree. So solve it. See, positive degree starting with no other turn into comparative degree and superlative degree. Rules for changing degree are as follow. Number first, positive degree starting with no other. While changing into comparative degree, any other should be taken after than, and while changing into superlative degree, the est or the dash most is used. For example, no other warrior was as brave as Shivaji. This is positive degree. Answer in comparative degree is Shivaji was braver than any other warrior. Now, answer in superlative degree is Shivaji was the bravest warrior. Here I am giving exercise for your practice positive degree into comparative degree and superlative degree. So solve this. D. Positive degree starting with very few turn into comparative degree and superlative degree. Rules for changing this type of degree are as follow. Number 1. Positive degree starting with very few when converting into comparative degree. Then use many other or most other after than, and when converting into superlative degree, then use one of the dash est or use one of the most. For example, very few places in India are as cool as Mahabaleshwar. This is in positive degree. The comparative degree of this is Mahabaleshwar is cooler than most other places in India. Its superlative degree is Mahabaleshwar is one of the coolest places in India. Here I am giving exercise for your practice of positive degree starting with very few into comparative degree and superlative degree. So solve this. I hope guys you understand this topic very clearly, and I hope you will complete the given exercise with interest. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet at new session with new topic. Till then, goodbye.